Alright guys, just back here with some more, well, it's not me, well, I'm just making this little short video. I don't know how long it'll be. It's probably gonna be a little shorter. This is my friend, Alan. He is actually got his truck legal to go on water, like, so his truck basically amphibious. I think this is like some other people that he knew. They got here and here. They're on, see, go-kart or golf carts or whatever. See, that's his truck. That's Sandbar, Palaca, St. John's River. This is yeah, golf cart for definite. This truck has, see, 2, 4, 6, 8 tires on it. As you can see, 2 in the front, or 4 in the front, 4 in the back. This is not in the lake no more. Or it was, no, this is in the lake. He's not in the river no more. But, yeah. It's just, and go to subscribe to this guy right here. Just focus. It's just right. It's right here. This. It's just not of Insta. It's just that right here. It's just, these are just a couple of other vehicles. This isn't sorry, like heaviest truck anymore. But I will probably, I don't know, I'll be making a video soon. Let's see. Yes, I mean, they have some pretty cool videos besides like the other ones and everything. This is a pretty cool truck. I've seen this one. But I don't know when the next video is going to be. I mean, it might be soon, might not. Because, I mean, I don't know. I might do a 3 a.m. challenge tonight. I definitely will be posting this video. These are some other ones that the guys posted. But make sure you guys subscribe to him. But, yeah. Just go subscribe to him. And, yeah, y'all should. I mean, you got some of this right here. And just off-road McLaren. 5.7 GTs. I mean, you got some GTA. I mean, I watch a lot of other stuff. But this video will go up like soon as this video is over. I mean, y'all just go subscribe to him. Yeah, thank you for watching.